Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Grace, also known as Miss Lewa Faces, and if you guys are new, welcome. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button before you guys leave. As you guys can tell by the title, I am coming to you guys with a foundation review. I absolutely love doing foundation reviews. It's one of my favorite things to do. So today we are going to be reviewing the new NARS Foundation. Let me tell you guys, I've had this foundation in my stash for about 2 to 3 weeks now, and I haven't done the review because I do want to do a wear test, and if I'm not able to film before I put on the foundation, I was like, nah, I'm not doing it. So this is going to be my first impressions, my review, and a wear test and demo on this foundation. So if you guys are interested in my thoughts on this foundation, keep on watching. Okay, so first of all, I want to say that I like NARS Foundation. I love the different foundations that they have. I have the lightweight luminous foundation. I believe I'm saying that right. I've always wanted to try their Sheer Glow just for something to wear in the summer, something a little bit lighter. But right today I have their Natural Radiance foundation right here, so I'm very excited to try this. I've heard a lot of good things, and I'm sure you guys have heard a lot of things about this foundation already. As you guys can see, I have my brows and my eyeliner on already just because all we're going to do is our foundation, and I didn't want this video to be too long. So right away, I'm reading right off the Sephora website. This foundation retails for $49, and it claims to be a medium to full coverage, which I like because I do opt for a more fuller coverage. For whatever reason, I don't know, I just prefer a fuller coverage. And it says it's for all skin types, sensitive, normal, dry, combination, and oily, and the finish is natural, so it's supposed to look like your skin. And what I think is so interesting about this foundation is that it says it can wear up to 16 hours. I'm really going to try to get that 16 hours of wear. It is 11 o'clock now. Okay, I might not be able to get the 16 hours, but I will try and wear it for as long. Maybe I could get like 12. Let's see if maybe I could take it off at midnight. So we'll see. And it says it's a lightweight foundation that's breathable and fade resistant. And what I like also is that it has 33 shades. NARS never does wrong when it comes to shades, so I am happy about that. And this is in the color, you guys know I cannot pronounce this. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I'm going to leave the color that I am wearing in the description box, and I'm going to put it across the screen. If I pronounce this, I would be butchering it, and I don't want to sound all types of crazy. I don't know if this is going to. So we're going to go ahead and start this demo. First of all, I love the bottle. NARS always has like really nice sleek bottles. I like that this is not like fat like the other ones. It's nice and sleek. You get 1 fluid ounce in here, which is not too bad. It is a more expensive foundation, I would say. Oh, and it has a pump, so that's good as well. I prefer foundations that have a pump versus you trying to like dump it out on your hand. So I'm not going to do anything special to kind of like manipulate how long this foundation is going to last. I'm going to do the same thing that I normally do when I am wearing foundation, and that is to apply my regular primers, because ultimately, even if I'm not doing a wear test and I'm just wearing this on a regular day, this is what I'm going to be doing. So first I am taking my Baby Skin foundation primer just to prime right in this area because I have larger pores there. Then I'm going to go ahead with my Hourglass foundation, and I've actually been kind of liking this a lot lately, so I'm going to go ahead and put that on the rest of my face. It does leave like a little white tint to your face, to your skin, so if I'm looking like a little blue or ashy after putting this on, you guys know why. And that's fine because once we put the foundation on, it's going to cover that up. And I like this primer because it really helps my foundation to glide on nicely and last. But like I said, like if I'm wearing this on a regular day and I'm not doing a wear test, this is the same foundation primer that I probably would have used anyway. So I don't want to say I'm doing anything to manipulate this foundation. I'm not going to be like, oh, let me use an extra mattifying primer because I want this to, you know, I want it to remain matte. So I'm going to go ahead and use this Morphe Highlight and Contour Beauty Sponge. It's new, as you guys can see. I just picked this up from Ulta, so we're going to be giving this a test run as well. And then just in case I don't like the sponge, I have my brush here as well. So let me go ahead and dampen my sponge and I'll be right back. A couple of pumps on my hand. And then I'm just going to go in with the beauty blender, or beauty sponge, sorry. Okay, so right away I can see that it is a medium to full coverage, which I like. And it does feel lightweight compared to like other foundations that are full coverage. You can definitely, it does feel heavy on the skin. But I'm liking this, and it's not like matte, and I don't want to say it's dewy. I got foundation on my shirt. It's not matte, but at the same time, I don't want to say it's like dewy either. The finish almost kind of reminds me of my all-time favorite foundation, Match Master by MAC. That's what this finish kind of reminds me of. But Match Master is definitely a little bit heavier on the skin than this is. So as you guys can see already, this is the side that is done, and this is the side that is not done. And the sponge is not bad either. Okay, so here's the foundation on. I don't know how many pumps I use because I actually spilt some foundation on my shirt, story of my life. So I don't remember how many pumps exactly I used, but I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my face and I will be back. Okay guys, so I went ahead and finished my makeup. Like I said, I didn't do anything extra special. I just did what I normally do when I do my makeup. I went ahead and set my foundation with my MAC Studio Fix powder. Also, I did some highlighting and contouring, which I always do. And then I just added a little bit of highlight on my cheeks. I'm gonna add lipstick, but the lipstick I want to wear is in my car. So I will be back showing you guys how the foundation looks after a couple of hours. So this is what it looks right now. So when I come back to you guys, the quality won't be the same because I'll probably be filming on my phone or on my other camera. So stay tuned for what I think about this foundation. I'm just going to be running some errands today. I'm going to the mall with my sister. I'm not going to wear lashes because I'm not like going anywhere extra special. So I'm going to the mall with my sister and my daughter, and then I'm going to be doing some grocery shopping. And then also I just have to run to by my church to handle something real quick. So I have 3 stops. And I kind of will be running around a lot, so I'm sure there are going to be times where I'm going to be warm, and there are times that I'm going to be cold because it is cold outside, and the mall will be warm. So this makeup will be put to the test of me being hot and cold at the same time. So we shall see how it holds up, and I will come back to you guys with my final thoughts on this foundation. Hey guys, so sorry this is just my first and only check-in, but basically today has been so busy, and sorry about the lighting. I'm back home and I'm in my bathroom, so I just wanted to do this check-in real quick. Right now the time is 7:40 and I put this makeup on at 11:15, so it's been about 8, almost 9 hours, and you guys can see I am oily around here and a little bit here. So like in my T-zone I am oily. Don't mind my hair, I'm getting ready to take my wig off, but as you guys can see I am oily in my T-zone. So but it does still look like I have foundation on. It hasn't like faded or anything like that. I also went on the website and I saw that it said it was transfer resistant. No, because I definitely got some on my hand when I was touching my face earlier by mistake, and I was like, ooh, I got foundation on my hands. But besides that, I wouldn't say it is up to 16 hours. It does wear, what am I doing? It does wear long, but I wouldn't say it's up to 16 hours. I would say it kind of wears as long as like a typical foundation. But it definitely does feel lightweight. The whole day, my face has felt like I didn't have much makeup on. I'm trying to find good lighting. Okay. So the whole day, my face did feel like I didn't have much makeup on. So I did like that it's lightweight. The color is really nice. It didn't fade throughout the day. The only major thing is that I wouldn't say it's 16 hours. I would just say that it is just like the regular, 6 to 8 hours that you're supposed to wear foundation. So that is my final thoughts on this foundation. Sorry I wasn't able to like do like checkouts throughout the day, like time checks throughout the day. I just was so busy. I drove a lot today and I just had a lot that I was doing. This is not a vlog, but I just had a lot going on today. So that's why I wanted to come and just quickly tell you guys. Look at my shower curtain. So, and I did start getting oily around like the 6-hour mark. So yeah, and I like it didn't like settle into my laugh lines or anything like that. I really do like this foundation for today. I'll probably wear it again tomorrow to really make sure if I like it. So alright guys, so I hope you liked this video. You guys now know my final thoughts on this foundation. If you haven't already done so, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. Also follow me on all my social media accounts, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.